Alright guys, let's create a simple dark mode light mode component using Jotai. Now if you don't know about Jotai, Jotai is a state management tool which we can use to manage our states. Now we are going to make like this, our dark mode. Now let's go back to the VS Code and create this functionality using Jotai. So let me delete all this and create from the scratch. Now as you can see, I have a React tab which contains about page and home page, and it has a app.js file which will hold our routers and all this stuff. So let's go back to the theme toggler and create our dark mode component. So let me go to Jotai's site and see how they have created a light mode dark mode functionality component using their site. We have to import something called useAtom and atom with storage. So let me import this two stuff. And they have used atom with. Now atom with storage is an alternative to local storage which we can use to store our themes. So if we refresh our page, it will show the previous theme. If it was dark theme, then it will again show the dark theme. So let me import this. And they have created a state using useAtom. So let me create a state. Now before creating the states, we have to make our toggle theme component. So just typing RAFC, it will make my toggle theme component and paste that state. Now let me change that state name to app theme, set app theme. Now this div will contain a button which will hold both the icons which we will use to toggle our themes. So let me import those buttons using React icons. So I have a sun icon. Let me import that. Sunny. Let me paste that and comment that. I need a moon icon, so let me go to moon icon. Let me import that. Yeah. Now I have to create a function which will toggle the themes. So let me create that function, const handle click. Now what this function will do is change the state according to the user's click. So set app theme not equal to app theme. Now what this line means is it will change the app theme with respect to the current app theme. So if it is dark mode, then it will change it to light mode, and if it is light mode, then it will change to dark mode. Now let's create that button functionality. So within button, I can do a conditional statement and say, if my app theme is present, show me IO moon. And let me make it proper. So IO moon, or I can simply copy this and change this to IO sunny. So our button component is done. So let me add some Tailwind CSS so that it will look much more cleaner. Now to use this theme toggler throughout all the pages, we have to import this dark mode atom to all those pages using useAtom. So as you can see, I have already imported. Now we have to make a conditional class which says, if the dark mode is there, then change the page to dark, or you can use light, or you can keep this blank. Now I have used Tailwind CSS dark class to change the themes, as Tailwind CSS makes it very simple, as you can add a dark mode class in the Tailwind config. Now what we have to do is go to the theme toggler, and I have made a silly mistake here, which is I have not added on click. So what this does is when I click on that button, then only it will change my app theme. So on click and call this handle click. Now if I go back to my website, yes, let's see. Now I have called the handle click, and if I see in my website, it is in light mode, and if I click it, it will convert it to dark mode. Yeah guys, it's complete, and thank you for watching till the last, and I will see you again in the next video. Till then, peace.